Okay, we know that articles to rank need entities. We've known this for several years now, and I've proven it to myself that the articles with entities are the ones that are ranking. That's how Google can tell a crummy article from a good article is the amount of entities that you would include that an authority on the subject would include. So I got several tools that I use for gathering entities, and I'm not really happy with any of them because I'm not convinced I'm getting what I need. However, Jesper from Yaks says that each entity must have a corresponding Wikipedia page to be an entity. So give me this idea and it's going to work really smooth. Let's just take the word search engine optimization. So I went to the wiki page, and as you can see, all these links are to other Wikipedia pages, and these are all entities. These are all related keywords to this term right here. Ooh, here's some more over here. They're really good. But let's just, so I know that the anchor text on this page are entities. I just know that for common sense. So they're linking to the other entities related to this main keyword search engine optimization. So I went over here to ChatGPT and I just told it, give me the anchor text for all of the links on this page, but only in the text of the article. And then I put the page there, and then we just click go, and bingo, we don't get it. It worked just a second ago. Let's try this again here. There we go. I don't know why it didn't give me it, and then it gives me it now. So here we go. We got entities for there's 25 of them. I did this earlier and I got 60. Well, I got 70. And here, so ChatGPT is inconsistent, as we all know. But you can run this one more time and maybe, or hit continue. Let's try continue. Yeah, there we go. So here's some more. So, and I'm absolutely sure these are valid entities because they all have a Wikipedia page. There's 44 of them. And then, of course, you just take these and you tell your AI article prompt to include these as much as possible into your article. And let me put the prompt down here. Well, it's real simple, just so you'll know it. Give me the anchor text for all the links on this page, but only in the text of the article. And I'll put this prompt below, so you'll have it.